Happy Brother Sister Day.
Good morning everyone. Myself Dr. Tejasri Thakur and under the guidance of Dr. Manu Parmar sir, Professor and Head of Department of Psychiatry, I feel honored to speak about brother and sister relationship because today on 10th of April it is National Sibling Day or World Brother and Sister Day. So we will see about the relationship between brother and sister. This special day is celebrated to recognize and appreciate the beautiful bond shared between brothers and sisters. It reminds us of love, care, and support, and lifelong connection that siblings bring into our lives. A brother sister relationship is truly unique. It is a mixture of friendship, guidance, fun, and sometimes little fights. From sharing toys in childhood to sharing responsibilities in adulthood, siblings are always there for each other. They understand us in ways that no one else can do. Brother often act as protector and supporter, while sister bring emotional warmth, kindness, and encouragement. Together, they help shape our personality and teach us important values like sharing, patience, and forgiveness. Even though we may argue or disagree at times, the bond remains strong. There are small conflicts actually make the relationship stronger and teach us how to handle relationships in life. This day give us a chance to express our love and gratitude towards our sibling. A simple thank you or small gesture can make them feel special and valued. Now I will tell about importance of relationship from psychiatric point of view. First point is role in mental health development. Early relationship, especially with parents and caregivers, shape personality and emotional development. The role of relationship in psychological development is very important. It is act as a protective factor against mental illness. Supportive relationship reduces stress and improve coping skills. They protect against conditions like depression, anxiety disorder, and substance abuse. Third point is cause or trigger of psychiatric disorder. Disturbance or unhealthy relationship can lead to mental illness. We will see some example like family conflicts may lead to depression and anxiety among the individual. Loss or breakup, adjustment disorders. Then childhood neglect, personality disorder. Then fourth point is role in diagnosis. Psychiatric evaluation include assessing relationships, family relationship, marital life, social interaction. This help identification of stress and support systems. It also plays important role in treatment. Relationships are essential in management. Family support improves treatment. Relationships are essential in management and treatment. Family support improves treatment compliance. Family therapy and couple therapy are important. A good doctor-patient relationship builds trust and aids recovery. Sixth point is caregiving and rehabilitation. Family members often act as caregivers, especially chronic mental illness. A supportive environment helps in recovery and uh, prevent relapse.
Morning to everyone. Myself, Dr. Venu Radaria, and under the guidance of Dr. Manu Parmar sir, Professor and Head of Department of Psychiatry. Thank you, sir, for giving me an opportunity to represent such a nice topic for public awareness. I would like to share some points regarding countries' war and relationship from social perspective and a psychiatric point of view. War between countries. War occurs when relationship between countries break down due to political, economical or ideological conflicts. Historical events like World War I and World War II shows how poor international relationships can lead to massive destruction. Psychological impact of war. War has a severe effect on mental health. That is, soldiers may develop post-traumatic stress disorder, that is PTSD. Civilians face anxiety, depression, and fear. Children may develop emotional and behavioral problems. These effects can last for years even after the war ends. Impact on human relationships. War disrupts personal and family relationships, that is separation of families, loss of loved ones, breakdown of social support system. This leads to loneliness, grief, and emotional instability. importance of healthy relationships between countries, that is the strong diplomatic relationship, helps prevent conflicts, promote peace and cooperation, improve global mental well-being. Organizations like United Nations work to maintain peace and resolve conflicts. Psychiatric perspective. From psychiatric perspective, from our psychiatric viewpoint, peaceful environments promote mental stability, war increases stress, trauma, and psychiatric disorders. Social support and relationships are essential for recovery. Now, I would like to invite Dr. Manu Parmar sir to add a light on today's topic.
So, thank you, Dr. Vinu. We hope Third World War never happened and peace is maintained around the globe. Together, we move forward for the betterment of this world. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you all.
Thank you so much.